Hello, my name is Gerry Lewy again, and I'm going to be showing you some of the tools I'll be needing to do the bright cutting or rough cutting or line cutting. Whatever you need is still the same thing. I'm going to be using only two kinds of burrs, a bud burr and a round burr. That will be described fully in the next video. So what you have here in the bench is two bud burrs, get the camera steady, and three round burrs. The burr on the far left is 007, not James Bond, but a 007, which is too large for this exercise. I use the smallest burrs I can. If I find a 005, I'll be very happy in using it. Now, for the graver, that is the main tool of this exercise. I'm using an onglet number 1, flanged on the left side, so I don't have to be cutting metal that I need. You'll be explaining this. I'll be explaining this in the next video. You can see how narrow it is. That's what I want. And here's the little flange. I laid it on the oil stone and I removed that little left-hand corner of the blade. And here is the right side. It's not cleaned or polished with a polishing paper. It's no need for that. It's just making the line cutting. Now what I'm going to show you now is a bright cutting tool. Same idea. Little flange. I'm only going to bright cut on, get that stuff off the front. I'm only going to be bright cutting on the right side of the blade. Yeah, I'm going to make sure that all the time that it's highly polished, because it's going to give me a beautiful, bright, shiny surface. And if it's dull or got marks on the cutting blade in front, it's going to be quite noticeable on the bright cutting area. So again, I got a little flange. It's like a little knife on the right side of the blade. Right-sided onglet number 2 bright cutting tool. So these are basically the only implements I'm going to be using. And to show you how small they are, just raise this against their onglet, bud burr 006. You can see the scale, very, very small. Now I'm going to show you the actual item which I did in the previous video. Keep the camera steady for a moment. You'll see how I did it. I did the bright cutting, the rough cutting on the right side and the left side, all the way around. Here's a better picture. You can see the lines. Now when I use the bud burr and round burr, I'll use them in the rectangular shaped piece of metal in between where the stones are laying. I will subdivide that into 4 little posts or little claws. And trying to get the camera focused. It's not too easy, but you get the gist of it. Is this hard to do? Yeah, well, once you start obeying all the rules and regulations of bright cutting, this gets to be like a 40 out of 10 on the difficulty scale. This is not for the faint of heart, believe me. Is it difficult? You betcha. Is it time consuming? Yes, it is in the preliminary stages. So this is what I'm up against, and here's the 4 plates, 4 strips. Here it goes. And I'm going to be showing you this too in the next 1 or 2 videos. So I hope you understand the detail, the technicalities, and all the rules and regulations. How to maintain your graver at all times. I'm using my polishing paper, number 40. And using a graphite impregnated paper with a pencil, mix it into a 6/0 paper, and then I use my 2/0 paper, which is seeing better days right now. It's been worn a lot, and all the scratches. But you know, this is what a diamond setter has to have. He has to have all the tools that's needed so he can execute a very fine, clean setting job. Here it is here. And I'm going to show you this in the next video, how all this is going to come about. those little squares, can't focus in here too well, all those little squares in between the holes, I don't want them to be cut away. I want to keep them for carving, whether it was round and bud burrs. If they're removed, I've got a problem. So I got to make sure that I'm concentrating at all times on what I'm doing. Now we got all the tools ready. Now the next video, I'm going to start the actual carving with my onglet number 1. Then I'm going to use those two sizes of burrs, 006 and bud burr and 006 round burr. Nothing else. 007, it's too darn large. You'll see why. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.